Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page. But before we get started, let's all understand exactly why a landing page is important. More important than that, a professional looking landing page, even one that you can create for free. Let's say you're in affiliate marketing and you have your affiliate link. You need some place to put your affiliate link, and that place is the landing page. This shows that you are a professional. This shows you are a professional to the people that are clicking on your links inside of your posts on Facebook, clicking on your links inside of your YouTube videos, finding your blog in search, clicking on your emails that you send to them from your email autoresponder. It also proves that you are a professional when you have a professional looking landing page, even if it's a free landing page. It proves you are professional and allows you to run paid traffic from sources like Facebook, YouTube, or to run Google ads. You need some place to put your affiliate link, and that place is a landing page. So how do you build a landing page? I'm going to show you a free option, and then I'm going to show you, if you need to upgrade, how easy it is to upgrade to a paid option once you start making money with the free option. So the best option, in my opinion, right now, the free option, is to join GrooveFunnels. There's a link in the description, and as soon as you join GrooveFunnels, you'll be able to sign in to GrooveFunnels here, and you'll see the option here to go to GroovePages. Once you go inside of GroovePages, you'll be presented with a free account, and that free account will give you 3 free sites. As you can see right here, I have created my 3 free sites already. So if I needed to upgrade to get to unlimited sites and funnels, I would have to click this upgrade button. Let's go ahead and open up this editor and see how easy this is to create a landing page, and in this case a free landing page that is super professional. We'll go ahead and open this editor. Once we're inside the editor, you'll see here that I have 2 pages created already, but pages inside a site, you can just keep creating pages as you need them. There's a video here on the channel. I'll leave a link up here in the cards in the right hand corner, as well as a link in the description, that explains my strategy to use your free account for all your marketing pages. So be sure to check that out. But for now, I'm just going to show you how easy this is to create a landing page by hitting this plus button right here and creating a new page. Of course, you could start with a blank canvas, but I would recommend that you scroll through the templates. Again, this is the free account. These are free templates. You can see how professional these templates are, and they are fully editable. So for example, this ebook landing page right here, we'll go ahead and select that one. You open that up and you can see right here, this is a fantastic landing page, fully created for you. All the elements that you need for a professional page, even for paid traffic, but specifically for free traffic. If one of your potential customers for your own offer or for an affiliate offer land on this page, they are going to be very impressed. All you have to do to edit this is simply click on this element. In this case, an element here is a text element. You can see right here, all you need to do is go through here and you can simply drop down the font and change the font and see it change. You can change the size right here, just that simple. To make changes, there is even an expert mode switch to toggle, and all you have to do is toggle that switch and you can access even more changes. So it's just that simple to create a landing page here and provide all the information you need on your landing page. As much information as you need, or as little information as you need. For example, right here, to get someone to subscribe to get a free preview and fully integrate this with an email autoresponder, or even integrate this with Zapier. So you could create a list on Google Sheets. There's a video here on the channel that shows you how to do free lead generation using GrooveFunnels and GroovePages and Zapier. I'll leave a link here in a card, also a link in the description. So make sure to watch that channel. And then of course, once you create this high converting professional lead page or landing page right here inside of GrooveFunnel and GroovePages, to simply publish it, you come up here to the publish button, and then all you'll do is click this check box right here, host your site with us. You'll come up with a name here, in this case your capture page, capture page is another name for landing page, lead page, squeeze page. And this is simply hosted right here on GroovePages. You simply click publish right there. That will save your content and publish your changes, which you can see usually go live within a few minutes, but it may take longer. So be patient with that, but simply X that out right there to get rid of that content box. And then you simply need to go to your capture page by clicking on this link. Then of course, once you click on that link, you'll see right there, this page is published on the internet, and you have a complete and simple and easy to create landing page, again, that is super professional, and it is going to convert like crazy, as you can see right here, all ready to subscribe to get a preview, and you can connect this to your autoresponder, or again, like I said, link in the description to show you how to do this, to even link it up via Zapier to a Google Sheet to collect lead information. So if this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that timer. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos you see here on the end screen. Click those, keep learning, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.